Hey, good afternoon, everyone. John here with Many Heads Woodshop. Just another little quick update on this sunny afternoon, Pacific Northwest. At least it's not raining. Spent the morning doing some yard work, cleaning up. But then I got to clean up stuff in here. Finally got all that stuff back up there, painted that section of the wall. I'll paint up there someday. But now I got to clean up all that mess. And then maybe I'll finish this. I got a picture for it. We'll throw that in the frame. But yeah, I'm gonna do some shop cleaning today. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Bye.